Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my project share for the Jewelry Making Fun collab. It's hosted by Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, and we post on the 18th of each month at noon. Each month there is a list of kind of themes to go by. For the month of November, we were to use the colors Topaz or Smoky Quartz. Optional challenge number 1 was to use Silver Findings. Optional challenge number 2, make a beaded jewelry piece that's specifically for someone. Now, so here is what I have come up with. This really gorgeous sort of a amber colored, sort of yellowy brown. I pulled from my Bead Venture box, one of those boxes. I found a pack of, they called it crystal glass, and it was just this really pretty colored bead. Here I have one left. I had one oddball in the whole batch. I also used these 2 little drops, which were a freebie from one of the Beads Venture boxes. I don't know which one it was because I just kind of pulled everything out of the box as they came in and put them all into one container together. And then these beads right here, these gorgeous ones right in the, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there's 2 here. Those were actually, let me find my paper, out of the bargain bead box from October. This is the name of the monthly kit, Night in the Woods. Number 14 on the list was a 10-piece strand of crystal faceted twist beads in a light topaz luster. And it's supposed to be 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then 2 on the earrings. So that makes the 10. And I think these turned out really super pretty. Here's the earrings up close. I just kind of did the same pattern. Well, just used one of each of the beads that I used on the necklace. And then little spacers between the beads and on the ends. And then just hung the little drops from the bottom. And everything just matched perfectly. I love how these all went together. And then for the necklace, I did, just for a little bit of length, I just needed a tiny bit of extra length on it. I just added a bunch of those little tiny spacer beads at the end, rather than putting just a short piece of chain on each side here, or I didn't want to make the necklace a lot longer either by using a good bit of chain. So I just needed a tiny little bit of length so that it would go around my neck nicely and it wasn't super tight. And it's not very long, but it's not like a choker either. So it's a good length. And then here is that necklace up close. Love these beads. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And these from the bargain bead box went perfectly with these glass beads from the Beads Venture box. And I love how it turned out. So I think that was a beautiful piece for the topaz collar. I actually looked online to see exactly what color it was saying for topaz, and it says there's a whole bunch of colors that topaz can be besides the brown. Various tones and saturations of blue, green, yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple. I did not know that topaz covered such a wide variety of colors. So that was cool to find out. I knew about this kind of yellowy brown collar for topaz, but did not know about all the other colors. So that was fun to find out. As far as the optional challenge of making this as a gift for someone, I have no clue. I mean, I'm sure I could find someone to gift it to, but off the top of my head, I don't really know anyone that likes this color particularly. But if I were to, think of someone, I would, of course, give this to them. But I didn't specifically make it for someone because I didn't know anybody that likes this collar. So that is what I have made for this month's my gosh, my brain is dead today. This month's jewelry collab. And it's hard to believe that next month is the last month of the year. It's crazy. And I believe that this is going on next year as well. So that will be fun to continue this. It always keeps my jewelry inspiration going by being in this collab. It's always a lot of fun. So I'm so glad. Thank you to Deb for hosting this, and appreciate everything that she has done to put this together. So please check out all the other ladies that are in this collab. They will be listed in the description below, and I will talk to you on the next video. Take care.